Hello everyone, Revd13 here from Revd Rotors. Today I'm going to try and correct an issue that I've been having with this headset. The past few times that I've had people ride along, they all complained that the screen kept going black. I knew there was a short somewhere and it progressively got worse, but I couldn't pinpoint the location of the short, and I figured it might be at the circuit board inside. Once I got the case open, I was actually quite surprised at just how little there was in there. Be careful with the ribbon cable and make sure to flip up the latch before trying to pull it apart. Once the ribbon cable is disconnected from the board, the screen lifts out quite easily. The nuts and washers need to be removed first before you'll be able to take out the circuit board. As you remove the circuit board, be sure to feed the wire through the hole to prevent ripping off the solder pads. Here I'm desoldering the positive and negative connections, making sure to remember where they go. I cut back the wire a little bit because I suspect there may be a broken piece inside the sheath. And now I'm tinning the wires. I use a desoldering braid to remove the old burnt up solder. This knot is to provide stress relief. Time to solder it back to the board, remembering to put the positive and negative in the right place. A little bit of hot glue goes a long way to provide stress relief. The hard part is done, so now let's put it back together. Make sure that the Fresnel lens is facing the right direction. In this case, the lines are on the inside. Now that it's reassembled, the only thing left to do is to test it and see if it works. And it looks like we're good. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and while you're here, check out our other videos as well. If there's anything you would like to see, leave a comment below and maybe it will show up in a future video. Till next time, stay lofty.